friends, Running Kimono here. So, IBOTTA was really generous this morning and gave us a $2 rebate for 3 of these Olay body washes. And yes, the store can be Walgreens. So, this is really, really fantastic. And if you went out and got the deal on Sunday, the one that I showed in my Easter video, there's some Olay body wash floating in the background. Get that receipt and send it off to IBOTTA, like photograph it, send it off to IBOTTA. And even though it's been a couple days, you have a week post with the IBOTTA rebate app and you will still be credited that $6. So from the comforts of your home, make that $6 this morning. But if you were looking at my video last Easter Sunday and you're like, this woman is obsessed with Olay body wash. I don't know why she's always buying it. It's a body wash that I like more than Dove, so I will always pick it up. It's just one of those things, like whenever I can get it super uber cheap. So like whenever you can stack it with IBOTTA, it's like extra frosting on the cake. But if you already bought it, that's your deal. Now, if you haven't bought it and you were like, look, I'm going to stay home for Easter and I really have been kind of allergic to some of these deals this week over at Walgreens, this is how you're going to do the deal. So either I would recommend to go and do this in the store so you get the receipt in your hand right away. There's no funny business. You're going to find 3 Olay body washes that are attaching with the 5 off 3 digital coupon, and that's going to be a sum of $21. Also, open up your IBOTTA app and make sure that the $2 rebate is in fact still there and still attaching with product. When a rebate is so hot, as we saw with Shopkick twice this week, this is a different rebate though, IBOTTA is different. It might vanish very quickly, but make sure you have it loaded and so it's in your gallery, and definitely open up IBOTTA, make sure it's still there. When you're in the store, just make double, triple check, that it's still in your gallery, it's still there. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. We're at Walgreens. We're going to grab 3 of those Olay body washes for $21 on the nose. Have your digital coupon loaded. You're going to pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward for buying 3, a $4 register reward for buying $20 in P&G products. Collect that $6 from IBOTTA. So it makes it $1 for the 3, or 33 cents per Olay. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash because you want to do this on the cheap, use 10, spend 6, and call this a super genius deal. I would try and do it today, which is Friday, April the 14th, because I have the sneakiest suspicion this one is going to disappear very quickly, because when you can get this body wash that's upwards of I don't know, just under $10 on a non-sales week for 33 cents. I mean, do the math, guys. It's absolutely, it's crazy. I would be getting out to the store at 9 a.m. Try to do this deal today, Friday the 14th, because it's so great. Now, just to show you a little photo of what the register rewards would look like. The top one is for buying 3, which is the weekly deal. The bottom one is to spend 20 to get back this gem. Now, I'm going to let you guys know the body wash that I bought on Sunday didn't print out the one below. So I think there was an error at my store or something like that. Just register rewards were not printing because I was like the first customer to get there last weekend. But this is the flavor that I bought that was not triggering the register reward, and this one is the sea salt flavor. So maybe it was too salty for that rebate. I don't know. Mindful of that. Probably that yellow one would print it. But if you could be so kind in the comments and let us know if you are having success with this deal and the 2 register rewards are printing, and let us know the scent or flavor that you're specifically buying. Much appreciated. And if you've already done this deal, photograph your receipt from last Sunday and get your $6 from IBOTTA. How exciting. Now we're going to pivot and head to Meijer. Meijer, the ketchup, they have this weird page of items that are 50% off, and it's Friday and Saturday only. And I was looking at this last night and I'm like, man, this ketchup is really cheap. And to preface something, Meijer is in the Midwest only, like in 5 states, and there is no sister store. It's not part of Kroger. Please do not ask in the comment, or don't send me a message on Instagram, because it is its own thing, Meijer. So there were 2 items that kind of caught my attention, and the first is the Heinz ketchup at 50% off, and it's the 38-ounce squeeze bottle. Ibotta still has this rebate, which is $2.50 back. So doing the math, guys, that's 2 free catch-ups with the Ibotta app over at Meijer, and it is the 14th and 15th only. And 2 is your limit for this dealio. But I mean, to get some free condiments, by all means, go. And if you don't have a Meijer grocery store, I'm so sorry, but Meijer is, I don't know, it's either really hot or it's an ice cold store. And the last item that I saw that really interests me are these massive containers of Maxwell House coffee. Definitely something my father in law likes. And it's 45% off. So that is just the stock up price right there. No rebates for that. Just go and get it. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.